All right, guys, Chef Anthony here. I'm talking about air fry. Air fry for your wall oven. Now, back up. If you don't have that button for you and you have convection, you still have an option here. So in the convection setting, basically all we're doing in air fry is circulating air around with a fan and a heating element. So if you have those two, you have air fry. So in this wall oven, we're gonna go convection roast at 400. The roast is gonna use the broiler and that bake element in that convection fan. Basically gonna air fry up crispy for us. We have homemade zucchinis from the garden right here, egg battered, a little bit of herb panko on them. We have them on a nice tray with air, with the rack up so we get a little air underneath. So we're gonna put this right down. We're gonna put it right in the middle rack right here, okay? And that's gonna be 400 degrees for probably around 7 to 10 minutes, the same as your air fry recipe goes. We're gonna see and test the results. All right, let's go right here. Let's open the door. Here the convection, we're gonna use the glide rack. Look at that though, golden brown, nice and crispy on edge to edge. This is perfect air fried. Here's the deal, nice and healthy, crew, air fried in your oven. Enjoy.